Hi everyone, Miss Thea here from the Fox Lake District Library. Thank you for joining me for another Messy Art at Home. This month we are going to be doing this super cute cotton ball painted snowman, and we have prepared the Messy Art at Home kits for you to pick up here at the library if you are in need of the supplies. I'm going to go ahead and go over those supplies with you right now before we get started, and what you would find in your bag if you were to come here and pick one up. So in the bag here you would find a blue piece of construction paper, a small paper plate, and then you would find some black tempera paint, and there's some white tempera paint in here, and a little container of glitter. We're going to be using some glitter today. You're going to find a black piece of felt and an orange piece of felt, a whole bunch of cotton balls. Put a bunch in there just in case you need some extra. And then I've also included some smaller buttons. You should have 3 in your kit. Different sizes and colors may be in there. Okay, so now that we've gone ahead and gone over our supplies, why don't we go ahead and get started. What I did here is I don't know if you can see it, but I kind of drew a little bit of an outline in pencil, a little wavy line here down at the bottom because I want to do like a little snow scene, and that's where I'm going to put my glitter. And I do have 3 circles here. Just to kind of guide me where I want to go with my snowman. You don't have to do that, but I just went ahead and did that for myself. The first part that we're going to do is this snow scene down here at the bottom, and if you can see, that's where our glitter will go. So first you're going to take one of your cotton balls, and you can either dip it into this little container, or you can kind of scoop it out with a paintbrush and put it on the paper plate. That's why I went ahead and included that. I find it a little bit easier to take it out for the white and put it on the paper plate, but whatever is easier for you guys at home. So you're going to go ahead and dip your cotton ball in the paint there. You can kind of dab it on your plate to get the excess off, and you're just going to go ahead and fill in the bottom with some white paint. You want to fill it all in just to create that really cute, fun snow scene down there at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and add some more paint. You don't need a ton, but you do need enough to where when we put on our glitter, it will stick. And this cotton ball is kind of starting to fall apart already, so that's why I included a bunch in there. So I'm going to go ahead and set that one aside and put a little bit more paint on there. And once you get your snow scene on, we're going to go ahead and add that glitter on right away. And you'll see that in this little container here. Now I'm going to have to take this off my little easel and kind of tilt it a little bit so it doesn't fall over. But if you just sprinkle it on there, you don't have to do a ton. And this glitter isn't really fine. It's larger, so it sticks really well. And if you wanted to add a little glue to the paint as well, down here at the bottom, it would stick a little bit better. So you're just going to go ahead and sprinkle that on. And the reason why we're doing the snow scene first is because if we did our snowman and the snow scene and waited, the paint would be dry, so our glitter wouldn't stick. So go ahead and add that on as much as you like. And I'm just going to go ahead and set that right back here, so that way it can start to dry as we're working on our snowman. So I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. And then, so I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up for the snowman. So I'm just going to kind of go over my outline and make my snowman there. And you can use as much paint or as little paint as you want for this. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. And again, this cotton ball is already starting to fall apart, so I'm going to grab another one. And you're just going to keep working all the way up, all the way through. Put a little bit more here in the middle. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and do his head here. Now we are going to put a little hat on our snowman, so you want to leave a little bit of room at the top, just so that way we have room to fit that on. So let's take a look. He's looking a little skinny, so I'm going to plump him up here in the middle a little bit. Okay, there we go. So now that I have my snowman created, if you see here on my example, I've got black that I used for his arms, for his eyes and his mouth, and I just used my finger for that. I dipped it into the black paint. This you could probably just dip right out of the container, but for today I just have it on my plate. So I'm going to go ahead and dip my finger into the black paint, and I'm going to go ahead and make some little stick arms for him. I'm going to do that on both sides. And you're going to want to have a paper towel nearby, so that way if the kids get messy, they can go ahead and wipe it on that. I'm going to do a little hand there and one over here. I think that looks pretty good. And then I'm going to go ahead and do his eyes and his mouth. I'm going to go ahead and dip again and do a couple of eyes. You might need a little bit thicker paint for this. It might blend with the white. I'm going to go ahead. There we go. And then we'll do his mouth. All the way across. There we go. I like that. Okay, so that we're going to be done with the painting part of it now. So we're going to move on to making a hat and a nose for him. So in that kit, or if you have the supplies at home, you'll, like I said, that black piece and the orange piece, I went ahead and already cut out my hat, just a little rectangle on the top and some sides. So we'll go ahead and glue that on. So the supplies that you will not get in your kit will be the glue and the scissors, but everything else will be in there. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue here on my top hat. And I'm going to put it kind of like sideways here. I'm going to go ahead and stick that along the top. And the glue holds it really well. I didn't need hot glue or anything like that. And then for his cute little nose, I'm going to go ahead and cut out a little triangle here. That way we could fit that on. Let's see if that'll fit in there. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So I'll just do a little dab there. Put his little nose on. Okay, and then the last part of our snowman is the buttons. So I have some buttons here I picked out. I've got, if I can grab it here, a blue one, and I have a green one or a turquoise one, and then maybe I'll switch it here and I'll use this yellow one. So we'll go ahead and glue those on. And for these, you may have to lay your paper flat for them to dry. That's why I left this to be last, because they might start to slide. Let's see if they'll hold up for me as I get these on. And then those messy art kits will be available starting January 25th, and that's while supplies last. And you can just give us a call here at the library and we'll arrange for a curbside pickup. And let's go ahead and put our last button on. Okay. And then after you're done, like I said, you'll want to go ahead and just lay that flat so the glitter and the buttons can dry. And then you have your cotton ball painted snowman. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you had a lot of fun. Have fun playing out there in the snow, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.